Yo, what's up everyone? It's Deddy. We're diving deep into the world of AI, and no, I'm not talking about some sci-fi movie. From video editing to graphic design, even automatic coding, AI has become a reliable assistant that speeds up work and enhances creativity. And that's what we're going to break down today, how these tools are making life easier, faster, and honestly, way more efficient. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk video editing. Imagine this, instead of scrubbing through hours of footage, you literally just tell the software what to do, and boom, it's done. We're talking about platforms like Runway and Descript, using text commands to edit videos. Need to cut out that awkward pause? Just type it in. Want to add some B-roll? You got it. These AI tools understand your words and translate them into actions within the software. It's like having a personal editor working 24/7, except you don't have to pay them overtime. Think about what this means for creators. It frees up so much time and mental energy to focus on the creative stuff, the storytelling, the part of the process that really gets us excited. Next up, let's talk design. Imagine typing in a description of what you want, a logo, a social media post, whatever, and having the AI generate multiple high-quality options in seconds. That's the reality with platforms like Canva AI, DALL-E, and Midjourney. These AI-powered tools are breaking down barriers for creators who might not have traditional design skills. You don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to bring your vision to life. And the best part? The creativity here is limitless. This is a game changer for small businesses, entrepreneurs, anyone who needs quick, affordable, and high-quality design work. It's like having a whole design team at your fingertips without the overhead. This is the future of graphic design, and it's happening right now. Finally, let's talk about something near and dear to any tech lover's heart: coding. It's a complex process, and even the smallest errors can cause major headaches. But what if AI could help streamline that process, make it faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors? That's the idea behind AI-powered coding assistants like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT Code Interpreter. These tools are like having a coding buddy looking over your shoulder, suggesting lines of code, catching mistakes before they happen, and even offering different solutions to a problem. It's like having a superpowered debugger built right into your coding environment. AI is being used to write complex algorithms, develop entire applications, and even create original software from scratch. The future of coding is collaborative, with humans and AI working together to build the next generation of software and applications. And that's something I'm incredibly excited to see unfold. So that's a quick look at how AI is transforming the creative landscape. From video editing to graphic design to coding, AI is changing the game for creators of all levels. The future of creators is getting smarter with AI. AI is here to stay, and it's only going to get more powerful and more accessible over time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech deep dives.